Not disconnect, but basically take the screws out, take a look on the inside. I won't do anything to the inside, I'm just going to have a look and basically see what I've seen under the body to someone who knows a lot more about trains than I do, and explain such and such needs doing to it and how much will it cost to be done to this unit. It basically needs some lights refitting, the directional lights, cab lights. The cab light works, don't it? So yeah, and when it comes towards you, it's the cab light still works, but the directional lights and tail lights in that unit is completely non-existent again. Not in the 57, but in the HST. And my arms still on the bin out. Really thin night. And yep. Anyway guys, we've been filming just over an hour. I think we need to finish, don't we? Because time's getting on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very bizarre different video this evening. And yes, I hope you make sure you comment, like, subscribe and turn on notifications. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Twitch, and TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.